My name is Ana Luisa Rodriguez. I am 11 years old. I am a student in the primary school Guerrillero Heroico.
This project is a solution as a previous step to using novel machine learning perspective to understand travel behavior and solve transportation challenges. The objective of this project was to familiarize me with a problem that in the future can be approached with machine learning techniques, which is why it helps me to train myself in this type of problem and its intuition.
How does this game work?
Players can click on the blue numbers to adjust the distance in kilometers between the houses. Players can click on the calculate button to calculate and choose with some conditional blocks the shortest path, and automatically the application marks it on red. In the moment the player clicks on the calculate button, the variables show the sum of the distances. If there is no shortest path, no path will mark in red, so the player needs to adjust the numbers again. Click on Reset to set all the numbers to 1.
This is a short explanation of my project. I hope you enjoy it.